Huawei will launch the Mate SE in the US today, as a renamed version of the company's recent 7X Honor phone. The 7X was announced in December and is designed to offer a modern design of reduced bevel at cheaper prices. Now, eagle-eyed observers may notice that Huawei already launched the 7X Honor in the United States in February, but that phone was not the same 7X launched in the rest of the world. It featured only 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, instead of the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage found anywhere else. Therefore, the Huawei Mate SE, which has the same RAM and storage improved as the original 7X that Huawei launched internationally. In other words, it's the real 7X. Everything else about the Mate SE is identical to the original 7X, both American and international, with the same hardware, cameras, reduced bezel screen and processor as the original model. The only difference between the Mate SE and the international version of the 7X is a Huawei logo at the bottom of the screen instead of the Honor logo.